21st, the day of November 2000, or 21st November 2015, to be present today to ascertain from the appellant the receipt of the information from the PIO that which have been sent to him through a registered post on 12th November 2024 from Kelong, West Kamen District, Arunachal Pradesh, from Kelong, K-H-E-L-L-O-N-G, Kelong, West Kamen District, Arunachal Pradesh. The Commission deems it November, December, January that the information sent to the appellant on 12th day of November 2024 have been delivered to the appellant, and that is the reason why the appellant has absented from the hearing of this appeal consecutively twice, despite being issued summons to be present today. And on top of all, being made to know that this instant appeal will be decided ex parte in his absence, a priori. A-P-R-I-O-R-I, a priori. Police code. Under the above facts and circumstances, seeing the carelessness of the appellant, which in fact is a contempt of the order of this court, his appeal is disposed and orders to the PIO and send the judgment to the PIO and the appellant. Yes.
Okay. 31. Pakar Jamo Bate, PIO Kam, Director Lane Management. Pakar Jamo Bine.
Both parties absent, and so the hearing adjourned. Send notice to both parties to be present in the next date of hearing. Send a warning summon to the PIO. Warning summon to the PIO to be present in the next date of hearing. Failing which, SHRI action under the provisions of Act 2005 will be initiated against the PIO. Send notice to the appellant to be present in the next date of hearing. Failing which, this appeal would be decided as parte. Next date of hearing on
3rd May.
25th afternoon, morning, 10:30 a.m.
209 ये ऑनलाइन में आएगा बोल रहा था ना हिमांशु 209 वाला
Jum Muba
वर्सेस
DRT
ओके यो करना एप्लीकेशन पे शो ऑनलाइन आएगा बोल
दोनों ऑनलाइन है ओके हाँ हुआ ज्वाइन कर लो
हाँ एप्रिल 4
मैडम ये एक नंबर लिखा नहीं और नंबर 215 पे हाँ 215 यहाँ 215 तो दोनों ऑनलाइन है स्क्रीन में क्या दिखा एप्लीकेंट ऑनलाइन है एप्लीकेंट ऑनलाइन है हाँ
ऑनलाइन आएगा उनको कौन किया था नहीं आया आपका नंबर किया था नहीं 209 तो इसका करो इसका नहीं आएगा इसका तो अभी कौन वो ऐसा हुआ रेंटिंग और वो भी 20% ये तो ऑनलाइन करेगा तो कौन
नहीं अभी ये जो है आरडी और पीडी from ADC लिखा वाली लवासिया
सर इनका जस्ट अभी भी कॉल आया थर्ड नंबर का
हाँ
अभी तो मैंने उनको लिंक सेंड कर दिया वो लिंक ज्वाइन
तो कॉल देख करके देखे एक बार
ये जो इनका तो कॉल आया
हाँ इसका तो कॉल है इससे फोन है कि आगे
एक पीआईओ को कॉल करो, एक एफिलिएंट को कॉल करो।
हेलो कितना टाइम लगता है ज्वाइन करने में? और आपका स्टार्ट हो गया सर, आप वेट कर रहे हैं। लिंक दिया है तो लिंक ज्वाइन कीजिए ना।
क्लिक करके
लिंक लिंक को क्लिक सर, आपको पहले करके रखना चाहिए था ना ये।
नहीं, उसको ये करो, हो जाएगा। ऑर्डर को लिख लो, वो the affiliate option and the PIO option, send available arrest warrant to the PIO. Copy served to the SP Lower Siam, and an order sent to the OC Likabali to return this available arrest warrant and produce the PIO to the court of this commission on consideration
3 April
3rd April 2025 and 10:30 AM. ये आदमी 4 बार वो नहीं आ रहा PIO अरेस्ट करके लाना है, वो आसान नहीं था।
Next 215 Deni Lambu, ये भी नहीं है ना? Deni Lambu और PIO Kamdiepo Bondila.
बहुत डेनी लम्गो नहीं है ना ऑनलाइन,
नहीं है ना?
इसको डिस्पोज कर देते हैं हम लोग। The PIO option, appellant option without intimation to this court, the reasons for his actions for the fourth consecutive time. Third consecutive time, appellant actions, despite issuing summon to the appellant for 2 consecutive times. The appellant is yet again absent today, that is 30th January 2025. Which makes the commission believe that the appellant is not serious on this appeal. And twice over, the commission had issued warning to the appellant that his absence from the hearing will be vitiate to hear and decide this appeal in his absence ex parte. Under the above facts and circumstances, this regarding the order of this court, the court exposes this appeal. आता नहीं
216 ये ऑनलाइन में ना हिमांशु लैंडिंग दा
Blending Pertin and DLRS of Pasighar. Both parties online. ऑनलाइन आ गया वो नहीं बोल करके बता दो माइक ऑन करो करके चैलेंजिंग पर्टिन can you hear me yes can you hear me my audio is not clear to you so now can you hear it hello is it audible to you now yeah is it audible to you now okay fine okay so after the order of the last hearing have you got the information from the PIO okay yeah. Yes. So can we be very specific as to which of the informations you are still to get from the PIO and yeah, you have got the information the land allotment list up to 2003. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes. वो लिखो record करोगे we will record that we will we will record that yeah we will record that you have got the information pertaining to the government correspondence for land allotment at Nagar and the list of the person from oh yeah only for the year 2003 yeah you have only got the information pertaining to the government notification as well as the land allotment orders for 2003 only yes yeah yes yes up 2003 and above to till 2024 is not yet given to the appellant. Oh, no, one. Number two, and then have you got the corresponding letters for allotting the land for plot number 101 and 227? Okay, okay. Yes. Yes. Note that serial number 1 to 626, but the LOTs are 2600. So the information, the detail for the rest be given to the applicant. So in the last hearing, we kind of pruned your details of information to two very specific information. Those that were government correspondence for land allotment at Govindagar, Pasigat, the list of persons allotted land at Govindagar from 2003 to 2024, and correspondence letters for allotting land for the plot number 101 and 227. And now you are stating that you have got the other information. The rest of the information that you are still to get is from the government correspondences and the list of allottees from 2003 to 2024. So that only remains to be given to you. And your honor, the legible master plan map is not being given to me. No, in the last hearing, if my memory can be as good as a very young kid, last time the DRSO was stating here that the map that they have also is not legible even to them. Maybe it's too old or torn something he was telling here. I remember. So, but do you do you do do you still need the same in that same form? Do you still need that? Yeah. Yeah, let me copy should be that. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. If they are not taken up, they got taken the procedure, then they just left it from them. Yeah, that is their responsibility to fix it. So yeah, uh, action in this line at the max is imposing some penalties by which your purpose doesn't serve. Your Honor, Your Honor, contempt can also be no contempt of court can also be irritated. No, yeah, we can at the max initiate disciplinary action against him according to the CCS rules. But in here in this instant case, so we can impose penalties upon the PIO, which won't bear any thing to him or him for any no PIO would be thinking anything about paying 25,000 or whatever amount to the government exchequer. The money goes back to the government exchequer. So if you need the information, still now we'll order him one last time to give you the details from 2003 to 2024, along with that master plan map. He has given me some things pertaining to plot of land, etc. And yeah, this is a series of one. No, so it's still for yeah. So yes. So decisions, orders are available. So in that case, contempt will be initiated. No. So contempt will be initiated. Mm. No, because in contempt, where do we no where do we initiate contempt of this court is when the PIO you know doesn't pay heed to the orders of this court and remains absent in the hearings. But in all these times, he has been punctual and he has always been even while being absenting, he has submitted letter of absence in the last hearing also. So what I'll do is I'll order for the for no yeah no see in the last order no no by complying with the order of this court only he has given you some of the informations. Still some of the informations are to be given to you. Maybe they yeah. Yeah. Right. So let us see this time we'll order him to give you the rest of informations which are very specific and that pertains to the government correspondence for land allotment at Gumin Nagar Pasigat for from 2003 to 2024 and the rest for allotting uh, land for the plot number 101 and 227 have already been given to you by complying the last 21st November order. Now we'll order him to provide you the rest of the informations that have not been given to you, but very specifically pertaining to this only GOVT correspondence for land allotment at Guman Nagar Pasigat, the list of persons allotted land at Guman Nagar from 2003 to 2024. This much of the information only needs to be given to you along with the master plan map. Yeah. The master plan map which you were asking for should be given to you along with the rest of the informations pertaining. Yeah, he had also said that way, but maybe he's not in. So in that case, according to according to section, no. In that case, according to section 6 clause 3, he has to transfer your appeal or your application to the authority wherein they'll have a clear master plan made. Yeah. No. No, he had confessed it in the court. Whatever be, whatever be, he has stated before you in this court that the document that they have with him, he has with him in his office, is not that legible because it's a very old document, maybe very old. Yeah, yeah. No, yeah. Providing you clear and legible map by incurring government expenses. Maybe I believe that it is not under the ambit of the district authority because they don't have that sanctioning powers or. But what he had to do was, you are right in that. No. You are right in that saying that he has the liability, he has the responsibility to fix the map, give you an authentic, a very clear map. But so last time it was not in your statements. You didn't mention about that master plan map, but today you are putting it out. Yeah. So we'll order him to provide you with a legible master plan map. So वो order में ऐसे लिखो the PIO to provide legible, Legible, legible master plan map for Women Nagar and the list of the persons allotted land at Women Nagar from 2003 to 2024 completely. These are only two informations to be given to the
Completely.
owner before the next date of hearing, failing which, yeah, uh, the appellant to uh, request the PIO to provide him the information on or before the next date of hearing. And next date of hearing,
It is 3rd April.
Superstar.
Morning.
So we have fixed the next date of hearing, 3rd April, 10:30 a.m.
Next hearing.
The next hearing, 3rd April, 10:30 a.m. Yes.
Two 219 Ratan Setia versus EC Sarla.
ये भी पता नहीं हुआ है इसका तो हो गया ना
नहीं आया ना
ऑनलाइन है ये दोनों ऑनलाइन है ओके
Okay then.
सो लेट अस हियर द appellant रतन चेतिया
सर सर ये रिकॉर्डिंग में ये या जो एक्सेस था वो जो इंफॉर्मेशन हमने इस बार फॉर्म एल किया था भावना सर वो नॉट फ्रॉम द पीआईओ
till now PIO is online now
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I am online, sir.
so can we hear from you why the informations have not yet been given to the appellant till now
Sure, sir. Sir, I have resumed the duties of PIO and I just went through the file. So I think Mr. Ratan Chetia has submitted an application last year. If I'm not wrong, I'm just seeing his application. It was 17 January 2020.
yes
Okay. So from the time and that time PIO was Gamja Toke sir. So he had written basically Ratan Chetia wanted information, especially regarding the furnish the names of all running brick, tea, pork, uh, coal factories in China and many more. If you see the
yes
details of information is very exhaustive. Okay, so then PIO had written a letter to the Amdo and also the letter officer Shamla to furnish the information and the date was 8th of February 2024. But Amdo office has not received any information from both the facilities. So again, one more reminder was sent by Gamja, the then PIO. So I know information. So then cover the charges and total Anto Jairam Kharsa and everyone. Okay, regarding furnishing the information. So on 24th of September, we got some information, but I just got to know from my dealing assistant because the regular dealing assistant is since 3 because she has some kind of very serious health issue. So I think from our part, we could not deliver this information that is here, but right now it is available. So whatever information you have right now here, I just show it to you once. So this information will be furnished rapidly. Whatever we have received from AMDO channel, this information will be given or it will be sent to the other state level.
So you mean to say you don't have all the informations right now with you? Hello? Yeah. You mean to say that you don't have all the informations with you right now? No, no, I'm asking to the PIO.
Now, PIO,
Yes, yeah, PIO, you are saying that you have some of the informations with you, but some of the informations are yet to be given to you by the concerned officers. Are you saying that? Huh.
Sir, you were clear.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was asking you, are you saying that you have some of the informations ready with you now? I think your net is down there, your side.
Sir, the next, yeah.
Yes, yes. Sir. Okay, okay. You are saying that you don't have the full information right now with you.
But we have received some information from the AMDO also,
Yeah.
giving this information to the other state. Yeah. So, yes.
No, okay. Are those the complete information that he has asked to you? नेट का ऑनलाइन का प्रॉब्लम यही है नहीं नहीं आप बोल रहे कि some of the informations are there with you right now, some informations are yet to be given to you by the AMDOs.
Yes, sir, yes.
So when can you give the complete information to the appellant?
I will give it to them. But soon as if he can access the scan copies in WhatsApp, I am readily I'll give it today the scan copy. And if you want hard copies, we'll post it.
रतन अब बोलो अभी अब बोलिए
very well.
Yes.
That is different. I don't against deleting this place or inadequate information. I can let Narwai sir already 1 year has been passed and it's the fourth hearing I think.
Yes.
So still they are lagging it behind. It's a itself the law is violated.
No. उसकी स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया अयोग का he he was not there. He was taken charge as the 1 month before. They have promised. And so he has told he did the information, some of the information, not full. So the villain states that he wants the information completely and he cannot take the information from the PIO by severing out some and taking some. Severing out some of the information from the whole lot of information. So the PIO provide the information to him completely on or before the next date of hearing. So PIO, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yes. So the appellant wants all informations in one go completely. So let us do one thing. You ask your concerned officers to provide you with all the informations, and then you provide the informations to the appellant on or before the next date of hearing, which is 4th April. 3rd of April 2025, 10:30 a.m.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. We will I try to do what we can from our side, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. No, and then one more thing, just a suggestion to you. Last three hearings, the PIO was absent.
Okay.
So you came today online. That's really good of you. I appreciate. Or else, I was to send a arrest warrant to the PIO. Very honestly, yeah. Because he had been ignoring our summons repeatedly for the three consecutive times. But you have come online today, and I appreciate, and I do believe that you would be providing the information completely to the appellant on or before 3rd of April 2025. Do remember the dates. Okay.
Say, what third time? 10:30 a.m.
10:30 a.m.
Third
3rd
April.
April.
Ah. Thank you.
Yeah. Sabatokur
Sabatopur versus
versus Pitupri. MD Campiayo APS
M.
Cooperative Apex Bank. Okay. Okay.
API na.
The PIO is absent. PIO, yeah, sorry. PIO, appellant online है.
Appellant
नहीं है.
online है ना.
The appellant is absent. The PIO is represented by the APIO. Your name please. Aba OYA. Oh yeah. That is then no, you are post in the bank. Aba OYA GM Cooperative Bank. Can we hear you now? Yeah. Okay. 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 We'll record serially. Yes. The information sought by the appellant had been completely provided to the appellant on 21st 10 2024, and the appellant has received it by attesting his signature in the office copy of the PIO. It's a 23. Not 23. 23. Correct. 23, 10. And the APIO exhibited PXHIVITED, the receipt of the appellant Sri Tabatopur.
Sabatopur restaurant यहाँ है.
Ye, this is your copy or are you giving to us for record? Okay. The commitment is convened to the record provided by the APIO. pertaining to the receipt of information by the appellant from the office of the PIO. Under the above facts, it is made clear to the Commission that the information have been provided to the appellant, and the appellant has received the information, and therefore the Commission does not find a reason to expand the hearing of this appeal. And judiciously dispose this appeal with liberty given to the appellant to file fresh application for the information that he has applied to the PIO. And so we have disposed of it. Okay. No, but then he's been absent repeatedly, no? When you file an appeal and you absent repeatedly, we deem it that you are not serious with it, and so we dispose of it. Unnecessarily disturbing the office of the PIO, no? Yes, okay. Dongu Josh Kali. Dongu Josh. Okay, okay. And the PIO represented by the PIO. So your name? Saidoru. DRU. Your post A. Assistant Engineer. PW. PHG. Tali Subdivision. The appellant absent for the second time consecutively without intimating the cause of his absence to the Commission. Which prompts the Commission, prompts PRO and PTS, prompts the Commission to believe that the appellant is not serious on his appeal. And so now let us hear you out.
So we have already verified
Record girls.
and from his side, there's no any.
No. What you have given him a letter, or you have provided him the information?
No, we have given him. From his side, there's no response.
The API stated that they have written a letter to the appellant on 24th July 2024 that his application is ambiguous, unspecific, and spanning for कितना साल का है इसका? 2024, 3 years, or spanning 3 years, which informations are very voluminous and to cut short the cumbersome work of providing him the information, the voluminous information, along with running the office for giving services to the public. The PIO has sent a letter to the appellant on the above mentioned date, 24th July 24, to severe SEVERE, severe some of the informations to make it very specific so as to provide him with the informations in time. Regardless of the letter sent to the appellant, the appellant has not bothered to reply back or communicate back or correspond back to the PIO till that. Statements of the statements of the appellant have to be recorded for coming final judgment. And as the appellant is absent, the hearing is adjourned today to be posted on another day with the order that someone issued to the appellant to be present in person or through online mode on the next date of hearing, failing which this appeal will be decided ex parte. Send notice to the, yeah, send a copy of this summons to the appellant. Notice need not be issued to the PIO as the PIO is present in the court. 6, the next day of hearing on 3rd April 25, 10:30 a.m. 3rd April. Let us hear from him. At least give him a chance. If he fails the next time, I'll decide the appeal ex parte. I dispose it if the appellants fail to appear twice. But at least we have to give them two chances to be heard. No? You do remember the dates. If you don't, you also can avail the online facilities by which you don't need to take the hardship of coming down here. No, because I believe you are from Tali. That's a far-flung area. To each things, the government has come up with these online facilities. You can avail. You can you give your contact number no, so that it becomes easy for us to contact with the PIO or APIO. Ngurang Tingpo versus Executive Engineer PHC Itanagar. Ngurang Tingpo. Oh. वो PIO ऑनलाइन नहीं है हिमांशु ओके लास्ट टाइम PIO आए थे आप नहीं था 21 नवंबर को इसलिए आपको एक समन भेजा है और उसको हमसे सारा इंफॉर्मेशन देने बोला आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिला है
सर नहीं मिला है। ये फर्स्ट वाला को भी सर पूरा हम लोगों ने पूरा नहीं किया ये ठीक कर दिया है तो मैंने वो कहा है इधर से
एंटायर सर्कल का डीपीआर वो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा क्या पीआईओ के लिए क्योंकि
सर
पीआईओ को सिर्फ आरटीआई प्रोवाइड नहीं करने का है पीआईओ को पब्लिक का काम देखने का है 70%, 70% ऑफ द टाइम 30% of the time be given to RTI and other complaint activities in their office. वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का भी ऑर्डर है तो ज्यादा आप लोग मांगने से पीआईओ के लिए आसान हो जाता है नहीं हम आपको उतना एक समय में नहीं दे पाएगा क्योंकि ऑफिस भी चलाना है ऐसे बोलने का इसलिए आप लोग 1 साल का या 2 साल का एक स्कीम
सर ये
ऐसा है ना
एक साल का ही है सर
जी,
2020
नहीं जैसे कि एक स्कीम 3 साल भी चलता है 4 साल भी चलता है वो तो हम लोग अंडरस्टैंड कर देता है बट जो हम लोग एक लास्ट टाइम एक माइन्यूट निकला था वो 1 ईयर 1 स्कीम बोला उसको रॉन्ग अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया है कोई कोई क्या है बट इट 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 मीन्स दैट सच्चाई ये है कि एक स्कीम कभी कभी 5 साल भी लग जाता है 10 साल भी लग जाता है तो उसका तो देना पड़ेगा एक साथ में तो अभी आपका फॉर्म ए में 91 डीपीएस है तो 91 डीपीएस में से कितना डीपीएस आपका अभी तक दिया
सर एक ही दिव्या दिया
तो 90 उसी प्रकार आप सोच के देखो ना 91 डीपीएस कोई आसान है क्या ना 91 डीपीएस इज नॉट ए जॉब
और सर मैंने तो बेचने का नहीं मांगा मेरी
नहीं व्हाट एवर भी आपका तो 91 डीपीएस तो फॉर 1 ईयर ऑल्सो छोटा छोटा शायद बस्ती बस्ती का ब्लॉक ब्लॉक होता होगा बिना डीपीआर का तो एक भी सैंक्शन तो नहीं होगा फंड्स देखते हैं कितना बड़ा होता है एक डीपीआर लेट मी सी द साइज ऐसा ही ऐसा और 90 आपको देगा वो लोग जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ वो लोग का भी कम्बरसम होगा ना टाइमिंग के लिए भी सोचना है अच्छा डीपीआर का बिना आप बाकी इंफॉर्मेशन को नहीं ले सकता मे बी दे आर फेसिंग ट्रबल विद फर्निशिंग दिस डीपीआर टू यू
सर वो लोग अगर ट्रबल होता तो मुझे कॉल भी करता ना
हाँ
ऐसा
हाँ
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो आप पर्टिकुलर उसी का मांग लीजिए मैं दे दूंगा पर उन लोगों ने सर ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं
होगा मैं इसके साथ कहता हूँ evidence is that he has been provided some of the informations that he has applied.
Sir, number one in public.
And pertaining to the details of information, sought by the appellant in serial number 1, 90 numbers of DPRs, detailed project report, are yet to be provided to. Sanction order को आपको मिल गया सबको?
नहीं नहीं सर, एक भी नहीं था, बस ये एक ही DPR था क्या?
Copy of the sanction order under Sangdupta, Sangdupota, SANGDUPOTA circle, not yet provided. Payment copy of each scheme under Sangdupota circle, tender and non-tender. पेमेंट कॉपी का मीनिंग्स आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, बताइए तो हमको।
सर मतलब जैसे कि ये एक पर्टिकुलर इसका हो गया तो
जी।
पुराने का हो गया सर, इसमें कितना का वर्क पेमेंट किया सर, तो किसके नाम पे किया है वो सब तो सर्टिफिकेट है, नॉन टेंडर टेंडर में कितना अमाउंट था सर।
आप लोग तो क्लियर से ये सब लिखने से वो पीआईओ को एक पीआईओ इसमें जायज होगा, अगर इफ ही हैड बीन टुडे, वो तो आपसे आर्ग्यू करेगा कि आपको कौन सा ये को पेमेंट कॉपी को चाहिए। पेमेंट कॉपी बोले तो एलओसी भी तो पेमेंट कॉपी में आएगा, फिर बहुत स्कोप ज्यादा हो जाता है ना। दिस वेरी वर्ड द पेमेंट कॉपी नॉट इलस्ट्रेटिंग व्हाट व्हिच पेमेंट यू वांट, द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर payment made to the contractor, payment made to laborers out of scheme. There's so many payment made for GST. क्या है आप इसमें आपका कोई स्पेसिफिक एम्बिगसली नहीं चलता है, तो इसको तो हम वो मना कर देगा, बिकॉज द नंबर 3 सीरियल नंबर 3 इंफॉर्मेशन sought under serial number 3 of the application of the appellant is not clear as to what what he intends.
सर इसमें आप ऐसे कर दीजिए, कंट्रैक्टर को सर पेमेंट करने वाला कोई था, तो इसमें उसको ही मांगा था नॉन टेंडर और
And so he has amended it to provide to very specifically the payments made to the contractors. The payments ना पेमेंट जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लोग को जो पेमेंट मिला है उसका लिस्ट, लेकिन आपको बैंक डिटेल्स ये सब नहीं देगा। वो कोई आपका बैंक डिटेल्स भी किसी कोई मांगने से तो कैसे देगा आपको डिटेल्स? बैंक में पैसा है तो आपको कोई किडनैप करके ले जाएगा, तो जो आदमी आपका बैंक डिटेल्स दिया ना वो फंस जाएगा। तो they would be in conniving to kidnap you like that। हम आरटीआई आप लोग को बोलता है आप लोग ये बैंक डिटेल्स ऐसा मत मांगो, वो कभी मिलेगा भी नहीं, तो फिर नहीं देगा बोले से आर्ग्यू करता है। उस दिन भी 2-3 आदमी आर्ग्यू किया, मेरा साथ में इवन कंप्लेन भी वो लोग लिखा है, हाउ कैन यू गिव बैंक डिटेल्स ऑफ समवन। ये बोलता है क्लियरली, लॉ बोल रहा है कि जिस इंफॉर्मेशन से किसी का लाइफ थ्रेटेंड होगा वो इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देता है। और बैंक डिटेल जानने के बाद तो हम जैसे ये आपका पीएचई का एक्शन का बैंक डिटेल्स डिपार्टमेंटल अकाउंट होने से भी चलाता वो है ना, आप जैसे आप चला रहे हैं, तो वो बैंक डिटेल्स को किसी और कोई और ले लिया आरटीआई से, वो किसी और खराब आदमी को पास ऑन कर लिया, तो वो आके आपको किडनैप करेगा ना। हु इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल? हम भी रेस्पॉन्सिबल हो जाता है इफ आई ऑर्डर कि आपका बैंक डिटेल्स दो करके। इसलिए आपको सिर्फ द लिस्ट वुड बी गिवन, आपको वो लिस्ट देगा जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लोग को पेमेंट किया है, वही तो चाहिए आप।
टेंडर और नॉन टेंडर,
हाँ, फॉर टेंडर एंड नॉन टेंडर वर्क्स। आप लोग लिखने में गलती मत कीजिएगा, क्योंकि कोर्ट में जाएगा तो हर एक वर्ड को भी इंटरप्रेट, इसलिए जब भी आपको कुछ करना है तो पहले किसी जानकारी आदमी से लिखवा के लाइए। यहाँ पे हम है करके कोई दूसरा कमिश्नर होने से तो वो लोग डिसमिस भी कर देता है, हम अमेंडमेंट कर देता है, बिकॉज वी आर हियर टू सी दैट आप इंफॉर्मेशन मिले. But we are also here to see that the PIO is not harassed by you. Sabir. Furnish photocopy of pipe supply. Whether it was given as per DPR. Furnish, furnish payment list of not. हाँ ये तो हो गया है. Number 4 is clubbed with number 3. ना. समन भेजो PIO को. अभी एक समन भेजेगा. उसमें नहीं आने से हम लोग रेस्ट करके उसको लेके आएगा नेक्स्ट डेट में ना. तो वो नहीं आया तो हम लोग अभी उससे भी नहीं सुन सकते. लेकिन आपका जो एक गलती को हमने अमेंड कर दिया आपके लिए. नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग इज फिक्स्ड ऑन 3 अप्रैल 10:30 बजे ना. हाँ 3 अप्रैल को. लेकिन सोच के देखिए अब 90 और 90 डीपीआर तो मामूली बात नहीं है ना. आप खुद जेई या आप खुद यही एक्शन होनी चाहिए. ये सब भी सोच के आप लोग अप्लाई करने से अप्लाई करो. राइट है बोल के लॉ है बोल के दुम तो वी ऑल्सो कैनॉट ऑर्डर टू हरास द पीआईओ. हाँ लेकिन उस समय सुन के देखता है. लेट हिम कम. उस समय सुन के ये देखेगा कि आपको देने देने लायक है कि नहीं है ना. उसका ऑफिस का भी काम है तो आ जाइए. नो नो. हाँ नोटिस. नोटिस नोटिस because he is present. Hi David, CE Western Zone, Department of Hydropower. Yes, we had heard you last time. So उसका क्या हुआ है अभी? Hi, good morning.
As of now, sir, I've just received two estimate copies from low division 1 and 2 divisions.
Yeah.
1 and 2. And apart from it, I've received nothing else.
So you were to write a reminder letter to all 11 divisions, concerned executive engineers, competent authority to provide informations. So have you done that?
Yes.
Okay. Then the informations pertaining to serial number 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, exempted on the front. Appellant communicate follow intimate 11 divisions. So after your letter to the competent authorities, what replies have you got from them? So, but the information has been you are the PIO, you are responsible. No, you cannot take the uh, plea that the informations are not with you. You have to provide. Or have you sent them the letters?
Yes.
Can you show us? In that case, if you have sent the letters,
लिखा है सर. सर ये आपका ये 13 को ये दिया गया था. ये जो ऑफिस से ये लोग डिवीजन ये सर हम लोग ज्यादा ये जो फंड जो था ये वाला था डायरेक्ट ये था तो हम लोग का पास ये नहीं एस्टिमेट अवेलेबल नहीं था ये चीफ ऑफिस में.
so 13/11/2024 वाला letter को you might have got it from them.
स्कूल गया ये जो डिवीजन वाइज पूरा ये गवर्नमेंट सेंट्रल
Okay.
और ये डिवीजन वाइज वेस्टर्न जोन ईस्टर्न जोन करने. पहले भी सर
Oh,
गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर
oh.
डिवीजन वाइज 24.
Now let us discuss your Form A again. आपका Form A को तुरंत निकालिए. वो सब रिकॉर्ड करो। सो हम लोग अभी आपको अब अभी तक इस बीच इस दौरान नंबर वन तो जो जो हम लोग जो जो आप लास्ट टाइम बोला था ना, ऐसे किसको 91 बस्ती का ये कुछ 91 विलेज ओ हाँ हाँ, 2 3 4 6 8 and 9 2 3 4 6 8 and 9 और 7 and 10 को एग्जाम कर दिया। तो आउट ऑफ दिस 2 3 4 6 8 and 9 में से आपको कौन सा मिला है?
अभी तक सर I've received from low one and two divisions only estimate copies.
That is in which serial of your details
Serial
of
two,
information?
it's in serial two.
Sanction order.
सर उनको एप्लीकेंट को देने से हम लोग को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है, तो मुझे उन लोग से इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आएगा, मुझे दिया नहीं।
नंबर वन को तो आपको तो मिल मिल गया है। नंबर वन तो मिल गया है। Details of information. Number one has been given. It's been received by the receive. ऐसा इस वक्त में receive लिखा हुआ। नंबर टू में एक ही डिवीजन का आया अभी तक।
Yes, only two divisions, low one and two.
LOU.
LHOU, Tawang division. LHOU one and two.
LHOU 1 and 2 Tawang division, and the rest 10 divisions are yet to provide. ऐसा लिखो। Copy of the tender quotation from DIPR Naharlagan as per ये तो ऐसा कुछ टेंडर तो कॉल नहीं किया है।
सर उसमें कोटेट करके
टेंडर कॉल नहीं किया है। So number 3 में लिखो as there was no tender invited. The information pertaining to serial number 3 is not viable to be provided to the applicant. ये लोग बोल रहे कि टेंडर नहीं किया है, ऐसे ही दे दिया बोल।
सर वो डिवीजन में
हाँ
और एक कोटेशन कोटेट करता है,
कोटेशन का तो होगा।
तो कोटेशन कॉपीज तो होगा ना, लाइक जैसे इन्होंने ये कोट किया, आपने वो कोट किया, हमने ये कोट किया। हाँ, बट इट वाज डन थ्रू कोटेशन, QUOTHION कोटेशन।
सर कोटेशन ओब्लिक वर्क ऑर्डर लिख दे रहे सर, उनके वर्क ऑर्डर दिया
Oblique work order,
वर्क ऑर्डर बनाया
oblique work order, and those quotations oblique work order be provided to the client. Completion work completion report मिला है आपको? inspection report and photographs of work undertaken.
Completion report सर
कुछ कुछ आपको मिला होगा इस बीच में, photographs भी कुछ देख रहा है।
photographs तो yeah.
But do you really need the photographs? Do you really need the photographs? आपको चाहिए photographs को?
सर एक्चुअली वो वेरीफाई करने के लिए तो होना चाहिए।
Okay, okay. So number 4 में 2 divisions have provided the photographs and inspection report. कौन कौन सा division है?
Low one and two.
Same low one.
Only two of them.
9 copy of fund disbursed DPR maintained by DHPD in concern QPR इसको मिला है आपको
Other than that, आपने received
fund disbursed DPR number 5
सर ये लो सर ये जो लव वन
हाँ
लव टू का ये प्रोजेक्ट वाइज पूरा पैसा दिया गया
हाँ
ठीक
तो
है रिपोर्ट
ऐसा हर एक डिवीजन देना चाहिए था ना इनको
देना चाहिए सर मैं इधर से चीफ डिटेल्स को दे दिया
हाँ
तो गवर्नमेंट से जो रिपोर्ट आया था
मैं इसको पहले डिस्कस करते हैं then we'll discuss your authorities and I'll see that we need to arrest them or no ऐसे चलते नहीं रहेगा this is the third hearing no
Actually, sir, the information has been sought from the chief officer.
yes
We have got informed
last time also I said no even if they are not implementing it they are the authority they have to and
every factor, every
anyway
institution
first
has
let
to
us
go through
yes let us hear you first number 6 में आइए अब इसको मिला आपको
that.
number 6
No, 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 nothing apart from these photographs and
okay
estimates, addresses,
number 6
nothing.
have not been provided और number 8 में आइए ये भी तो नहीं होगा because there was no tender अच्छा ये सर वर्क ऑर्डर में और कोटेशन में भी उसको डिसाइड करने के लिए कुछ कमिटी फॉर्म करते हैं आप लोग का
एक्शन लेवल में करते हैं
ओके वही तो वो the committee report
सर ये चीज सर अभी कुछ हो
for
गया होगा ये डायरेक्ट सर सेक्रेटरी लेवल से तो ये गवर्नमेंट लेवल से किया गया है तो इसलिए उन्होंने बताया
नहीं गवर्नमेंट लेवल से करने से भी तो he has to get the information नो कि कोटेशन कौन कौन दिया है किस किस को वर्क ऑर्डर में दिया है वो तो गवर्नमेंट लेवल से नहीं होगा ना वो तो डिवीजन लेवल में होगा
Exactly.
सेक्रेटरी पावर के नॉट गिव वर्क ऑर्डर्स नो
Actually, the intimation was also given to Secretary Power. And
ओके फर्स्ट लेटर इसका भी चाहिए नंबर 8 में द कमिटी रिपोर्ट फॉर अवार्डिंग द वर्क थ्रू कोटेशन एंड वर्क ऑर्डर सिस्टम बी प्रोवाइडेड टू द applicant कॉपी ऑफ द फॉर्म ये पर 19 यूसी मिला हुआ है ना
yeah.
ओके नंबर 9 सो अभी उसको अभी फिर से लिखो सीरियल नंबर 1 भी हो गया है सीरियल नंबर 2 3 4 5 6 8 देना है actually provided to the applicant completely on or before the next date of hearing अब अभी आपका सर हम लोग रिकॉर्ड कर तो the PIO states that he all the informations as sought by the applicant but they are kept under 11 different divisions and so the PIO has written letters to all the divisional officers to provide the information to the applicant on कौन सा डेट में सर आप फिर से लिखा है 13 13 मंथ
सर ये
आप कब लिखा है नहीं डेविड को नहीं आपने जो डिविजनल ऑफिसर्स लोग को लिखा हुआ
सर वो लास्ट में हम लोग ये डिस्कस हुआ था सर
नहीं पर अब तो याद दिखाना पड़ेगा ना
सर वो हमको नहीं दिया रिकॉर्ड उधर ही होगा हम इसलिए लेके आया
ये तो नहीं होगा ना you have to show us the record that you have written some letters to the divisional officers to provide information but by verbally simply standing in the court won't serve their purpose you should have We, we, when you come, you have to be well abreast of the things, the issues that we are going to discuss in the court. Without that, how can we go ahead? And then you are wasting the time of the court.
सर हम लोग ये करना लास्ट टाइम डिवीजन में भी तो जाके कुछ ये करना चाहिए
नहीं 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 वो as per the law you are to write, you are to pass on the application of the applicant under 6 clause 3 कि आपके पास नहीं है तो you have to send the application to that PIO or officer. तो इनका एक सिंगल एप्लीकेशन को आपने 11 एप्लीकेशन कॉपी करके जेरोक्स करके 11 डिवीजन में भेज देना चाहिए था। आपने आज तक तो ऐसा नहीं किया है।
ये और इसमें सर ईस्ट वेस्ट ईस्टर्न का अलग है
जी
हम लोग वेस्टर्न का ज्यादा नहीं है सर ये जीरो कोलोरियन दापुरियो सेपा मुंदिला 1 2 एंड लाव 1
वही तो 9 कितना आता है आपका अंदर
9 डिवीजन है सर
9 डिवीजन 9 डिवीजन का उसको
7
करो
8 डिवीजन
And as per your direction, sir, last time I personally went to all these divisions, dispatched an intimation letter, and I've also met with that PIO executive engineer of Kurunkumen. I personally handed that intimation letter to him, but till then he's not complying with your orders.
so the the application, the form A of the appellant has been submitted to all the concerned divisions, concerned 9 divisions, na? Under which,
दे दिया
Low, but it's not complete.
under which
Completeness of estimating.
and so अभी आप वो डिवीजन को रिकॉर्ड करो नाम को सर बताइए तो हम लोग लिख लेगा we'll send orders to all of them
yes जीरो कोलोरियन दापुरियो सेपा मुंदिला 1 and 2 1 and 2 and law 1 and 2 law 1 and 2 law 1 and 2 दिया था तो ये सभी को क्यों का पास है सारू मानता
the appellant personally approached these competent authorities to provide him the information but till today that is 30th January 2025 no division has provided information save SAVE comma save Lao 1 and 2 Lao division 1 and 2 that too with incomplete information ऑर्डर का सीक्वेंस मिला लेगा बाद में on being inquired to the PIO whether he has forwarded the application of the appellant to all the respective divisions आपने भेजा आपने हर एक को लेटर लिखा है हाँ,
कोई किसी को पर्सनली भी दिया था
the receipt of which the PIO could not exhibit in the court but it is presumed by the commission that the information has been passed on from the PIO to all the 9 respective divisions
as well as by personal contact, by personal communication by the appellant. आपने हर एक में जाके बताया तो और therefore summon all the 9 executive engineers slash PIO slash EE VHD DHPD and Department of Hydropower Development. Failing to appear in person or or through online mode in the next date of hearing, failing which necessary action will be initiated according as per the provisions of RTI Act 2005. Under section under section 6 clause 3 of RTI Act, the PIO is yet again ordered to intimate the 9 divisional PIOs to provide the photocopy of the application of the applicant. आपका एप्लीकेशन का फोटोकॉपी इन्होंने एक्चुअली भेजना चाहिए था हर 9 डिवीजन में ना। आप अभी भी आप जाके भेज दीजिएगा इनका जो एप्लीकेशन है, बिकॉज लॉ बोलता है कि वो आपको भेजना है, क्योंकि आप ये बोल रहा है एक्चुअली आपके पास सारा इंफॉर्मेशन है, लेकिन आप जब खुद बोल रहे हो वो अथॉरिटी की मेरे पास नहीं है इनके पास में है, तो वो बोलने का पहले वो बोलते समय आपको प्रूफ भी दिखाना है कि हम इसलिए इसका एप्लीकेशन को आई हैव ट्रांसफर्ड इट टू दैट पर्टिकुलर competent authority. You're not showing that. So in the next date of hearing, you have to show us that also. And in the next date of hearing, में सारा का सारा नो जितना भी 9 chaos है, they have to be present, and you have to see to it. Either online में या तो in person. If they don't turn up, so we'll arrest, uh, send arrest warrants for them. And आपका खिलाफ में will initiate disciplinary actions as per the TCS rules. वो लो हम लोग को उसको प्रोविजंस हम लोग को पावर दिया है। सो अब अपना काम को अभी ठीक ठाक से नेक्स्ट में हम लोग क्लियर हो जाएगा। ये भी ही सोचो कमिंग वेरी सिंसियरली सिंस लास्ट आप एब्सेंट होने से भी ये नहीं होता है। There's certain very sincere activists whom we also like to cooperate. Others में कोई लोग जैसे कि आज भी बहुत बहुत सारा नहीं आया है, 2 बार नहीं आता है। I simply dispose of such non-serious. 3rd April 2024, 10:30 a.m. No notice needs to be sent to both parties as for present. आप एप्लीकेशन को जेरॉक्स करके भेज दीजिएगा। And next time you say that in front of them will initiate action. Executive Engineer PhD Thawang. Last time we had PIO. नहीं, 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 We are represented by Sri Jobom Bam, Junior Engineer, PHENWS, PHENWS, Division Tawang. वो 1, 2, 3 and 7 and 8 को आपने सॉफ्ट कॉपी में लिया है? लिया ना? ठीक। एंड 1, 2, 3, 7 का तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिया है। 4, 5, 6 and 9 का तो yes explanation अभी दिया है। हाँ। And 4, 5 points मुझे provide जो written में देना था वो आपको written में देना था। He has clearly explained the work executed on work basis. आपने टेंडर एडवर्टाइजमेंट पूछा और डिटेल्स ऑफ कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट एंड फोटोग्राफ्स ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट नो गाइडलाइन रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम अथॉरिटी टू मेक दिस मैंडेटरी details of first day of layout no guideline received from authority to make this mandatory copy of the UC was not prepared as it was not asked for by the authority. सब कुछ हाँ हर एक इंफॉर्मेशन को तो वो लोग इन रिटर्न में दिया हुआ है बट हियर as per report it seems like every report has been nullified I think. Yes, no, but they have replied to you in black and white, no? Yes. Whatever still if you have certain doubts about some unscrupulous or anything, uh, this is not the forum that can address you. Here we are only to see that the PIO replies to you, gives you the information. Right. And now here the PIO has replied very clearly that work is done this and through this and that, and in other they have written no guidelines. So I think this is the maximum that the PIO can that we can see to it that you get the information. So Abhi, in this very instance number 2, no guideline received from authority to make this mandatory. So if you challenge this, so this is not the forum again, no. The forum is the ACB or the Special Code of Corruption or under any other authority, but we are not here to look about. That means if he commits the crime in forging or deceiving you, like if he's being fraudulently stating these things, so then it becomes a criminal case. So here we have to see that the information is being given to you. So the PIO has sealed and signed it. Rest was not meant mandatory. Yeah, they have written like that. So you go for the guidelines. There might be certain guidelines for this. Perhaps. Yeah. So you'll get it from the secretary's office, or if they have a commissioner, you might get it from where if uh, these are mandated and they have written it like that. So again, yes, sorry to interrupt, but if even if it was done on work order basis, then they could have furnished me the details of those to whom this work order was given. No, you are
I think I had mentioned.
Number three, number four.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Number three, it was mentioned, awarded to the contractor, oblique vendors, oblique beneficiaries. So
Yeah.
those have already provided you in that
Yes.
pen drive,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number three is being provided to you earlier itself.
So I've marked the rest will produce.
Yes, yes,
That's
yes.
only the for that.
Yeah, I'm seeing it. This is for us.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
तो आपको तो सारा इंफॉर्मेशन तो दे चुका है अभी. हाँ.
Regarding this number eight about this, yes, sir, payment made to contractor.
Number 8. नहीं ये तो yes are in the soft copy. The serial number 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8 have been given to you in soft copy. And then the information sort to 4, 5, 6, and 9 are not available with the PIO's office. 9 they have stated in the last hearing itself that it's not with us in the open court. Last time तो ऐसे बोला था.
4, 5, 6 and 9 not
जी,
available.
हाँ.
Recent में देने का बताया था.
जी. तो इसलिए they have given to you in written. ये नहीं है. So that says it all. हाँ. So we'll dispose of the case. This is yes. Okay. As the all informations have been given to the appellant.
Regarding this guideline, no guidelines implemented. It can be pursued, but I think it will take a long time.
Yeah.
Very cumbersome.
Very cumbersome and unnecessarily wasting our time because you are also seeing that your case being posted on April. This is January. So every day they are having some 10 cases each and every day. So if you have certain doubts about something fishy or whatever, there are certain other forums, no, through which you can go. And if what they have replied to you is not mandated, to see if it's mandated or not mandated, you can find out the guidelines from the concerned office, a superior office to this office. Maybe they have those. There are ways to go ahead because now the PIO has given you everything in written. No, that speaks itself. So we dispose of the case. Executive Engineer PH Sangram. आप appellant है. Appellant present. The PIO absent consecutively for the third time. And the appellant stating that information has not been given to you. Information for serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 10, except serial number 5, be given to him on or before the next date of hearing. Send arrest, available arrest warrant to the PIO. कुरुंग कुमे ये ऑफिस कहाँ पे है? संग्राम में. संग्राम ओसी है उसमें पुलिस स्टेशन ओसी. ओसी संग्राम एसपी कुरुंग में. आप कल भी हम लोग चेंज किया है, गलती किया. आप वहाँ पर ऊपर लिखते हैं, नीचे कोलोरियन लिखा है, ऐसे मत कीजिएगा. OC Sangram to return the available arrest warrant. Send copy to DC Brunkume, SP Brunkume. उसको हम लोग एक अरेस्ट वारंट इशू करेंगे, कर दिया है, प्रोनाउंस कर दिया। तो उसमें नहीं और टू सेक्रेटरी PHG be ordered to take disciplinary action against the PIO and to ensure the presence of the PIO on the next date of hearing, which is on 3/4/2025, 10:30 AM. हम लोग उसको डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन भी लेने देगा, अरेस्ट करके भी डलाने देगा। ऐसा नहीं होगा। ये कोर्ट बुलाने से तो रिस्पेक्ट करना है कोर्ट ऑर्डर को। वो क्या नाम है उसका एक्शन का?
अभी नया है क्या वो ये बामन का
पहले कौन था?
बामन का भी है,
अभी कोई नया आया है?
नया है उसका है
होगा।
अरे वाह ना उधर का आदमी है।